In this video, we're gonna create a very short review about this powerful website called Web. So we'll dive deep into the features, the pricing, and the performance to see if it truly lives up to the hype and is the right choice for you. So to get started, are you ready to simplify your website creation process and boost your online presence? Web boosts 90% page speed score average for its hosted website, and also it's a easy drag and drop builder and a powerful AI tools website. So Web is like a super helpful tools for building website. It's an AI website builder that lets you create a WordPress website quickly and easily. And here the key benefit of this AI website: they offer a high-powered website creation with the use of AI, and also it is a all-in-one platform with an easy website builder. Also offer an AI for content and design with a high performance powered by Google Cloud and other AI websites. They also offer a WordPress integration with e-commerce ready and helpful tools. So talking about the key features about this platform, they have a wide range of features. For example, an AI builder that helps you generate your website with a good and easy navigation, a straightforward navigation with a website booster with a good and optimized SEO for better experience, and also plugins. They offer a wide range of plugins to enable your website and your WordPress terms. And talking about the pricing list, they have different pricing lists. They will have the AI Smarter, AI Premium, AI Ultimate. So if you want more information about this pricing plan, you can just refer to the official website for more views about their pricing list. So talking about the pros and cons. So the pros: AI powered efficiency. They also offer all-in-one platform with a WordPress integration and high performance with e-commerce capabilities with a free trial. So talking about the downside, the pricing curve. The learning curve can be a little bit tricky and difficult to learn. So if you want to use it, you might need to devote your time to study the tools, the reliance, and the elementals with the potential AI limitation features overload. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website. Thank you.